Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna take apart the ceiling fan. Somebody was nice enough to pretty much already take the blades off. So we're gonna take some of these wires taken away. Now this guy here, we'll take this top plate off. It don't look like, usually there's a way that screws in there, and looks like there's a cap. This is the cap. There we go. Now there's a, if you ever put one of these together, where are we at here? Right here. Little pin. This comes out. Should lift right out. There's a couple screws here that need to be loosened up first. So kind of hard to do that while holding the camera. Who wants to spin on me? Boom, there it is. Now, this looks like it's stainless steel, but I can almost guarantee. Yeah, it's all steel. That's all right. So now there's these screws that go around the top and around the outside. More ferrous. Usually these screws, there's a little something or something. If you save up the screws, just miscellaneous screws, and fill up containers. And you have like yard sales and stuff like that. From what I'm told, Put a price of like 50 cents, dollar miscellaneous screws. I heard they sell pretty good in the or even at a flea market. Well, we all know how those like yard sales go. Everybody's trying to get a deal, which is nothing wrong with that, I guess. I didn't want to do that, but I did it. Reason being, these are always nice to have. These switches are always nice to have on hand. They tend to go out on the ones in the well, let me get that back. Where'd you go? A lot of times I have it. Right, there it is. A lot of times these chains the top one is brass, bottom one's steel. I mean, it's not a lot, but it adds up. Now all I do is give it a little clip, a little bit of brass. And these switches, you're like, Lefty, what are you doing? You're throwing away silver. There's no silver in these. See? All it is just a little rotary type switch. And I'm all messed up here. Okay. Now, got this guy, which get this capacitor out of here. Now, snip these wires for the lights. Should pull right out. I'm still in frame. That's good. That. Let's see what's in this. Usually they're packed together, packed with some kind of epoxy. Come on, there we go. Little circuit board. A little bit of silver in this guy. Suspecting. Yep. Let's see. Let's get a focus. This little tip here, and then this here. Little, it's a little bit of silver. A little bit of copper, old copper winding here. And an IC chip. Set that off to the side. I'm not going to be able to get down in there with that. Little crescent wrench, adjustable wrench, got in scrap. Free tools are always good. Yeah, that's not going to want to come off her. Okay, so we're going to see if we can get this off. Get this off of here. I'm taking this. See if it comes off as an assembly. And it does. Good things, good things. Take this rotation switch out. Everything should just blow out. This is the thing I was talking about. I got this epoxy, and it's only good for shred. I mean, you could put it in. I mean, in a way, you could put it in with your low grade boards if you're collecting we're scrapping that. Get a few more cents per pound. A little bit of wire. Put that down in there. Let's see if we can get this guy off of here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that off here. So, what we're going to do, let's take one of these screws out. Get a screwdriver in there. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to put it up on a vise here. Hold this. You know what? We don't have to do that. I don't know, I'm looking at it. Get down to here. That there. There's a couple screws holding this on. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. What's wrong? I don't think that's... Kind of built this one a little bit, they made this one pretty good. Of course, that's not. Now that I loosened that up, it don't. Yeah, I'm gonna. We're gonna take this off. These are cast aluminum. All right, now that we got that off, it's like they almost like it's soldered on there, but it's not. It's just funny how all you got to do is have somebody watching you do something and it just all goes to shit, you know? Isn't that always the way? This is aluminum. Now with these, cover up. I'm going to cover the mic up a little bit. Give it a couple drops. And it comes right out. Take the wire out. Now we're going to see if we can bang this out of here. And there you got it. There you have it. These here. What I do in the frame here, and just clip them. Pull right out the other side. My yard won't take these like this. So do another one here. What I usually do is I go a little bit, just take a little bite at a time. You try to do it all at once, you may struggle. There it is. I mean, is it worth it for a couple extra cents? For me, well, maybe not. For some, I mean, if you got the time, I mean, yeah. Don't forget these. A lot of, they're going to 99% of the time, where we at? These brackets here that hold the blades on, they're going to be aluminum. So that's something to consider. So yeah, that's a lot of a lot of times it goes a lot easier. It's just one of those things, you know. When somebody's watching you, that's when shit goes wrong. Peace.